Hello, coin enthusiasts and collectors. Welcome back to Worth Coins channel, the go-to place for all things numismatics. Today, we have something special lined up for you. An in-depth look at the 1986 Washington quarter dollar. Not only will we explore its fascinating history, but we'll also dive into its current market value. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. This beautiful coin, minted in 1986, is part of the United States Mint's Washington Quarter series. Designed by John Flanagan, this coin features a remarkable profile of George Washington, the first President of the United States, on the obverse side. The reverse showcases a powerful bald eagle design, a symbol of strength and freedom. Now, let's talk about its historical significance. The 1986 Washington Quarter is part of a series that started in 1932 to commemorate the 200th birth anniversary of George Washington. Over the years, these quarters have become cherished collector's items, valued not just for their design, but also for the history they represent. In 1986, the United States Mint produced a staggering number of these quarters. However, due to wear and tear, not all have survived in pristine condition, making well-preserved coins more valuable to collectors. Now, let's talk numbers. The value of the 1986 Washington Quarter can vary based on its condition, rarity, and demand in the market. As of our latest research, a circulated 1986 Washington Quarter in good condition can fetch you around $2 to $3. If you're lucky enough to have an uncirculated, mint condition coin, its value could range from $5 to $10 or more, depending on the overall quality. If you're interested in investing or collecting coins, it's essential to keep an eye on market trends and consult with experts or appraisers to get the most accurate valuation for your specific coin. And there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the captivating history and current value of the 1986 Washington Quarter dollar. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your numismatic journey, I hope this information has been valuable to you. Thank you for joining us today on Worth Coins channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow collectors, and subscribe for more fascinating coin-related content. Until next time, happy collecting!